Welcome, fellow explorers, to Amazing Europe. Today we embark on a journey that's as eye-opening as it is concerning. We're diving deep into a topic that's often brushed under the rug, the stark realities of Europe's health crisis. Get ready to be surprised, maybe even shocked, as we uncover Here You Die Before, the 10 European countries with the worst health indicators. Our first stop takes us to Eastern Europe, a region grappling with complex challenges. We're shining a light on a country where life expectancy is the lowest in all of Europe. Decades of limited access to quality healthcare, a diet heavily reliant on processed foods, and a high prevalence of preventable diseases, it all adds up. We'll delve into the lives of locals, hear their stories, and understand the struggles they face daily. This time, we're going beyond the postcard-perfect facades to understand the human cost of these alarming statistics. From one alarming statistic to another, we find ourselves face to face with a ticking time bomb: childhood obesity. This time, our journey takes us to a nation where the highest rates of obesity among adolescents in Europe are a terrifying reality. We'll explore the factors contributing to this crisis, from sedentary lifestyles and aggressive marketing tactics to the lack of access to healthy, affordable food options. We'll meet with concerned parents, dedicated healthcare professionals, and perhaps even some of the youth themselves to understand the magnitude of this growing epidemic. Our exploration of Europe's health crisis takes a somber turn as we arrive in a country where the shadow of smoking looms large. Here, the percentage of deaths attributed to smoking is tragically high, painting a grim picture of the grip this addiction holds. Join us as we meet former smokers, dedicated activists, and healthcare workers on the front lines, all fighting to change the narrative and save lives. Our journey continues, and this time, we're confronting the often taboo topic of alcohol consumption. We find ourselves in a nation where alcohol-related deaths are tragically high, exposing a complex interplay of cultural norms and societal issues. Get ready for candid conversations with locals, experts in addiction, and those who have lost loved ones to this silent epidemic. Our exploration takes us deeper into the heart of Europe, where we encounter a country grappling with a high rate of preventable diseases. Imagine this: a nation where access to basic healthcare is limited, where preventative screenings are a luxury, and where early detection of diseases is often a distant dream. Get ready for eye-opening interviews with patients, frustrated healthcare workers, and policymakers, as we shed light on the urgent need for reform. Hold on tight, everyone, because this next stop is a poignant reminder of the importance of a robust healthcare system. We're examining a country where emergency healthcare services are stretched thin, leaving citizens vulnerable in their time of need. Prepare for heartbreaking stories from those who have experienced the system's failures firsthand, and gain insights from paramedics and doctors working tirelessly under pressure. Our journey through Europe's health crisis reveals a stark reality. Access to quality healthcare shouldn't be a matter of privilege, yet in many places, it is. We're shining a light on a country where disparities in health services between urban and rural areas are shockingly apparent. Get ready for eye-opening comparisons, interviews with those impacted by these inequalities, and discussions about potential solutions to bridge the gap. Our exploration takes a sobering turn as we arrive in a nation where healthcare funding is alarmingly low, leaving its citizens vulnerable and its healthcare system struggling to cope. Imagine this: a country where healthcare is seen as an expense rather than an investment, where hospitals are understaffed, and where essential medical equipment is outdated or simply unavailable. Get ready for candid conversations with patients, frustrated healthcare professionals, and policymakers as we shed light on the urgent need for increased investment in the nation's health. Our penultimate stop takes us to a country where the air itself poses a threat to its citizens' well-being. We're diving deep into the issue of environmental pollution and its devastating impact on public health. Get ready for shocking visuals, interviews with environmental activists, and conversations with medical professionals treating respiratory illnesses and other pollution-related health problems. Our journey concludes in a country where a different kind of health crisis is unfolding, one that often goes unnoticed, yet affects millions. We're shining a light on the often stigmatized topic of mental health. Get ready for heartfelt conversations with individuals battling mental health challenges, dedicated mental health professionals, and advocates fighting to break down stigma and improve access to care. And there you have it. Explores a glimpse into the often overlooked health challenges facing certain European nations. We've journeyed from the lowest life expectancies to the highest rates of preventable diseases, witnessing firsthand the human cost of these alarming statistics. These issues might be complex, but they're not insurmountable. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep the spirit of amazing Europe alive.